Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We are going to solve this question under computer and pseudocode. And according to this topic, it just deals with two things. One of those two things is a flowchart and a pseudocode. And according to this question, it was the question that came in 2016, section A. They brought a pseudocode and they wanted us to interpret it into a flowchart. So according to the question, they are saying the program below is given in a form of a pseudocode, in a form of a what? A pseudocode. Then they say start, enter radius, if radius is less than 0, so on and so forth. Then according to this question, it proceeds as it is. Now, as you are solving computer and pseudocode, always when you are drawing a flowchart, there are 4 types of boxes that you have to know, and one of them is a starting box, the entry box, the decision box, and the storage box, and the stopping box. And as we are going to be solving this question, I'll be explaining on how you are supposed to use each of those boxes. So according to the question, they are saying the program below is given in a form of a pseudocode. The way it is written here, that's how a pseudocode is what? Written. But if it was a flowchart, you could have seen shapes or diagrams flowing in a form of a flowchart. According to it, they are saying start. Meaning, how can we interpret this in a flowchart? What we are going to do, we'll use the starting box. And the starting box will look like this. Then we'll write the word start. That word start, this is how a starting box is. You can always use this starting box always when you're starting a flowchart. Then after that, they are saying enter radius. Meaning we are supposed to use the what? The entry box. So the entry box, it is written as this. Like that. That is the entry box. Then they are saying enter radius. What are we entering? So we say enter radius. R stands for what? For radius. As you can see here, meaning a flowchart is flowing from start to enter radius. Then the second thing they said, if radius is less than 0. Meaning, what box are we supposed to use? Meaning we can use a decision box because we are not sure if radius is less than 0. Rather, we'll use a what? A discussion box. And the discussion box will flow also as in this way. Whereby it will flow like this, then like that. Meaning in this way we'll say, if it is a question for... Okay, we proceed. So if radius is less than 0, meaning is radius less than 0, then the second part they are saying, then display an error message and re-enter positive what? Radius. Then elsewhere enter height. Meaning this radius that we entered had an error. And the best example that I can give is always when you are typing a message, when you make a mistake, by typing there, you don't delete all the words that you were writing, but you just delete the word that you had in that mistake. Meaning you go back. So in a computer and pseudocode, we'll show this arrow and go back to the entry box and say yes. Meaning there was an error. And after that they said an error message and re-enter positive what? Re-enter positive radius. Meaning the radius that we had at first was with an error. Now, elsewhere, enter h if we want. We'll enter height. Then after entering height, they said if height is less than 0. They are saying if height is less than 0. So now, if these people are saying if height is less than 0, meaning what we are going to do always, we are supposed to use the what? A discussion box. And the discussion box will look like this. Then, how can we write this? This if it's in a question form. So we'll say is h, which is height, less than 0. And as you can see from that a flowchart is what? Flowing. After writing that, they are saying then display an error message, meaning again there is an error. And they are saying we enter positive height, meaning from here there will be an error which will go, we can say yes, which will go to the entry box that we had entered what? Height. Meaning it will come here where we had entered what? Height. Therefore, we'll go back to this where we had used the discussion box. Then after that, they are saying else volume is equal to 1/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by square radius and times what? Height. Always when you are given this, you are supposed to use a box which is called the what? The storage box. And according to the rules of the storage box, it looks like this. Meaning there you have to put the whole thing that you have been given. Whereby you say V, which stands for volume, is equal to 1/3. Then you say 1/3 multiplied by then multiplication according to computer and the pseudocode. We are not representing it as the sign for multiplication, but we represent it as a what? As a sign which is a star. Then we say multiplied by pi. Then they are saying square radius, meaning according to computer and the pseudocode, radius squared, we can't say r, we can't say a star then r squared, no. But we say a star, then you represent it one by one, whereby we say r, another star, then r, then another star. What is it that we are remaining with? It is what? Height. Then after that, after putting that, we are going to remain with the end if. Is there anything that we are having which we have to do what? To solve according to the question? They are saying end if display volume. So there is nothing that we can put. Meaning we have to do what? To output. So now we use the output box. The output box. Then what is it that we are going to output? We are going to output the what? The volume. So you can say output or display what? Volume. So you say display volume. Then after displaying volume, what is it that you have to do? Meaning automatically what you have to do is to do what? To stop. Which box are you going to use when stopping? You use the stopping box. That's all. So this is how a flowchart will look. The way the question was, that was a pseudocode. But the way we have answered it, this is a flowchart. It differs. It's either they can bring a flowchart or a pseudocode. But according to 2016, they brought a pseudocode and they wanted them to interpret into a what? A flowchart. And maybe when you find another question, they might bring a flowchart, then they would want you to do what? To interpret a pseudocode. So thank you very much. See you next time.